In order to send a trigger using the scan control, so first you have to have here in the specific measurement none. And now let's say we'll send a trigger in the beginning of each line. So we'll choose here add special. We'll do first point of trace. But it's not enough just to choose this. You also have to make sure that you set the values inside this gray window correctly. So in order to set the values here, you can press on this window and anywhere where you have these small squares. So for example, now we want to send a trigger. So you have to make sure you have DAC scan active checked, and also that you're going to send a trigger out. So you're going to use, let's say, trigger 1 on the DT controller. So we'll choose here trigger 1. You have to make sure you have a BNC connected onto the trigger 1 on the DT controller, and you're going to trigger a certain device. And to put in the values here, the correct values, you should look at the manual. Okay, there's a manual for the integrated scan control of NWS, and here you have an explanation. So for the case where we want to send out a trigger, we'll put here, for example, 1 and 1, then just press add, and then you will have here at the beginning of each line it will send out a trigger. You can also have a certain log at the end. You can choose yes or no. That's it.